Today I'm going to show you how to make a Thanksgiving turkey out of, yes, grass weeds. Now, let me caution you, if someone in your house has allergies to grass, this is not the craft to make because this is real grass that's been cut off. But if you don't have anyone who has grass allergies, this is a fun turkey to make and very unique. What I did is I found a turkey pattern. Again, I oftentimes just go to color pages. I found this turkey pattern and I thought, well, that's going to work really well for my turkey. I cut it out and I cut out one piece to be this part here, and then I sort of measured approximately what this part would be to do the second part. I then cut it out. I make most of my things out of this foam board that you get at the Dollar Tree. Again, I like this foam board so much because it's cheap, and because it's cheap, you can easily cut it with scissors. You don't have to use an X-Acto knife to cut it. So you trace your pieces on here. After you've traced your pieces on, you're going to want to color them. Now what I found, I actually used spray paint for this, but you could use paint. But I found that I didn't really get a good beak. So what I did is I took a little bit of tissue paper, I put a little bit of glue on the beak area and wrapped it around. And you can literally just take it and wrap it around and then add a little bit more glue to it and just kind of push it up so that you get a nice beak. And this is the only thing that I think makes it look more like a turkey, when you have the beak that's not the same as where you've painted it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go outside on a scavenger hunt. You're going to find all sorts of grasses. Let me show you some of these. What I did is I spray painted them in two colors. I have the yellow color and I have the orange color. Then you're going to take and arrange your, let me move these over so you can see. I arranged the grass so it looks like feathers, usually doing no more than 2 or 3 at a time, and then gluing those down, adding more until I had a nice fan of a tail. After you get these glued down, then you take and you can glue your second part right over your first part. You can add your details of the feathers. See, I put on a few feathers. I also used a pipe cleaner. This is orange, but you could use a pipe cleaner, and glued it on over where the feet were to give it a little more natural look so that your turkey has some good little gobbler feet. And this is a fun and unique turkey. They look really good up on the wall or a refrigerator. But again, let me caution you, if someone has grass allergies, do not do this craft because this grass will cause them to sneeze. But for the rest of us, it's a fun activity to make and a wonderful one for Thanksgiving. So have a very happy Thanksgiving and enjoy making your turkeys.